Hi guys, it's Gingineer. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. So ngayon magsosolve lang tayo ng intermediate level age problem for civil service exam. So start na tayo. 5 years from now, Paul will be twice as old as his son. If his son is currently 10 years old, how old is Paul now? Okay, so si Paul daw and si son. Okay, so para hindi tayo malito guys, so mag-set lang tayo ng variables. So x and y yung gagamitin natin. So 5 years from now, ibig sabihin, yan is sa future. Okay, so mag-a-add tayo ng plus 5. So x plus 5 and y plus 5. So 5 years from now, Paul will be twice as old as his son. So si Paul daw na x plus 5, magiging twice. So, 2 times yung kay son na y plus 5. Okay? So, first equation done. Tignan naman natin yung second condition. If his son is currently 10 years old, so yung son niya na variable y, 10 years old na daw. So, meron na tayong value ng variable y. So, ang gagawin natin, ipa-plug in na lang natin ito dito sa nagawa nating equation. So, magiging sagot natin, x plus 5 is equal to 2 times yung value ng y na 10 plus 5. Okay? So, ayusin lang natin. X plus 5 is equal to 2 times 10, that is 20. 2 times 5, that is 10. Okay? So, x plus 5 is equal to 30. So, itong 5 dito guys, ilipat lang natin siya sa right side. So, magiging 30 minus 5. Okay? So, final answer natin guys, x is equal to 25. Or yung age ni Paul. Okay? Yan. So, letter C. Actually, madali lang tong problem na to guys, no? So, ganun lang siya i-solve. So, sana natuto kayo guys. Kita-kits tayo sa next video ko.